What I had noticed was I had some erosion on the top, and there was probably about 1 millimetre difference between the two front teeth, and I began to get very conscious of that. So my biggest relationship has been with Hamish along the way. So he introduced me to this idea of edge bonding. I liken it to like when you have false nails and they build up your nail, that sort of thing, they build up your teeth. So he has been very fastidious and very particular once the bonding was done, and it was incredibly different. I could really see the difference straight away. It's a long procedure and you sort of pull from pillar to post around your mouth, and there's all sorts of gadgets in there, but it's not painful because you're given sufficient anaesthetic. It's not a cheap procedure, but then nothing's cheap, is it? It's like a 2 weeks expensive holiday is how I'd describe it. I think it's been fantastic, and I would recommend it to anybody who wants to do something that will be long lasting.